Hey y'all, welcome to THAM141 Homestead. My name is Tracy. If this is your first time here, welcome. If it's your millionth time here, welcome back. If you have been following the channel for any length of time, you know that this tire has been a pain in my butt. I plugged the hole, but it's got dry rot. And it was leaking all through the sidewalls. I got a plug right here. And I gotta tell you, I am trying to avoid buying new tires yet. I think I can get at least another year out of these tires. They're awfully rounded off here, but you know, they still got plenty of go in them. So what I'm going to do, Trevor found this new stuff. Trevor is my researcher, man. He doesn't know it, but he is my researcher. Okay, and he found this TireJect, durable, long-lasting, instant tire repair, flat tire prevention, off-road repair, seals tread punctures up to 3/8 inch, seals sidewall punctures of up to 3/8, seals bead leaks, seals dry rot. That's what I need, seals dry rot, and it's low dosage. Now, my tractor, I don't know, I ordered for a small compact tractor, which the front tires are supposed to take 6 ounces. However, Trevor says I need to do a compact tractor with front tires 15 ounces. Well, I got 2 packets of 10 ounces. So that's what they're getting, is 2 packets of 10 ounces. We're gonna see how this does. This is not a review yet, because I'm not gonna review something I just took out of the box. I don't know if it's gonna work yet. This might be junk, it might be good. But we're going to go ahead and follow the instructions and put this to work. Reapplicate half of the original dosage every 12 months to maintain year-to-year active puncture protection. All right, step 1, deflate tire and remove valve core stem with included tool. Step 2A, pouch dispensing cap. Attach cap to pouch. Push hose over the valve stem. Flip open stem of cap. Squeeze contents of pouch into tire. Step 3, reinstall the valve core. Inflate tire. Drive slowly to rotate the tire several minutes. Go down nice and slow. Alright y'all, I got some stuff planned to do with it today, and we'll see how it goes. We'll give it a couple weeks and I'll review it, see if it holds those 50 pounds of pressure. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button, that subscribe button, that little notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with new content. Best way to support the channel, buy some merch. I'm not wearing any right now. Cheapest way to support the channel, leave a comment below. What do you use? Do you use slime? Do you use Fix-A-Flat? What do you use, and have you ever tried this TireJect before? All right, y'all have a great, wonderful day. We love you, and God bless.